Alrighty, never did one of these unboxing videos, but I seem to get a lot of packages from Amazon or UPS or FedEx. So, I usually forget what they are. This one I remember what it is. Typical cardboard box. Nothing special. Oh look, they did a nice little cardboard cover. And what do we have? New winter boots. Helly Hanson snow boots. What I got for you to see. Supposedly these are good for very cold. They stay down to -30 Celsius. Hopefully they'll keep my feet warm. Nice packaging. Helly Hanson logos everywhere. There you go. Easy unboxing.